Hey, now it's Anthony with A&A Professional Services, and before we start this video, go ahead and join the New Wave Facebook group. The link will be in the description and in the comment section. How to be a successful detailer. First, you have to listen to your customers. In order to get paid and get a call back, you have to give the customers what they want and what they ask for within reason. Pay attention to what they say and don't say. Some customers aren't comfortable with telling you what they want. At times, you have to get it out of them directly or indirectly. Sometimes you have to read behind the lines or just ask outright. I have a customer who used to have a problem telling me what she wants. To this day, she's one of my best customers. I guess she didn't want to come off as bossy, but I could tell that she wanted to tell me more. So I told her, tell me what you want or you need me to do. After that, she never held back. The second way to be a successful detailer is to always work before having fun. No work, then no fun. Fun feels so much better when the work is finished. Too much fun can be addictive and derail any progress you have made. Fun also costs money that can take away from your business. Before you know it, you will prioritize fun over work. Then you will only want to finance fun. Work comes first. Third, develop a schedule and stick to it. If your schedule begins with an early start, you would definitely get more done. It's true, the early bird gets the worm. I can attest to that. On the days I start early, I get more done. On those days, I want to do more. A schedule keeps you accountable and keeps things in order. A schedule is a plan. You definitely need a plan. The fourth way to be a successful detailer is you have to have long-term thinking. I see so many detailers give up because the success didn't come fast enough. Success takes time. It could take 5 to 10 years to see a bit of success. You just have to have patience and play the long game. There will be ups and downs during the long game, but see it through. It definitely pays off in the end. Most successful people focus on one thing at a time for 10 years before they see any great results. Number 5, be professional. This is very important. You never know who's watching or listening. Cameras are all over the place, so trust that you're always being watched. As you can see in this video, the next door neighbor approached me for a business card. She let me know that she had been watching the good job that I had been doing. If you like to talk on the phone while working, be aware of what you're talking about. Your conversation may offend others, so be mindful. And last but not least, be consistent. I've seen many new detailers come out strong, doing many details a day, then they crash and burn, never to be heard from again. You're better off doing one detail a day. If you can maintain many details per day, then have at it. It's easy to maintain 1 or 2 a day, then several a day. Consistency will bring you success. That's a fact. If you quit, you won't be successful. Till next time, shouts out to the New Wave. Peace.